Do you know many people are having trouble with adjusting the stitch length on their sewing machines? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power on. Power on your Janome 2030 DC sewing machine. Step 2. Select stitch. Choose the straight stitch option by navigating through the stitch selection panel. Step 3. Access length. Find the display screen and use the cursor buttons to highlight the stitch length value. Step 4. Adjust length. Press the plus button for longer stitches or the dash button for shorter stitches, watching the display change. Step 5. Confirm setting. Check the display to confirm the stitch length is set to your preference. Now you should be able to adjust the stitch length effortlessly on your Janome 2030 DC. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Janome users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.